Hey y'all, it's me, BP, on the cut. It's like, no, I'm just playing. Anywho, I'm back with another wig video because I know I love my wigs. And this hair is from VSHOW hair on Amazon. Let's get into this. Period. Anyway, let me just talk about this packaging because I just thought it was so cute and different. Anyways, it did come with 2 wig caps and a little pamphlet of the hair, where to find them on their socials. And I got this deep wave 16-inch in jet black. And look at that. Oh my God. When I first felt this hair, I was like, oh my God, y'all. It was so soft. So soft. I love it. Anyways, I got mine in a 16-inch and it is 150% density. Y'all see how good that matched my skin tone? It's a Swiss lace and it's light medium. I mean, not light medium. It's a light brown Swiss lace. And this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. 4 combs in it. And this is how it look on me. By the way, this is how it looks on me when it's fresh off the package. I haven't even washed it or did nothing to it. And the knots were not bleached and it was pre-plucked. Anyways, I just want to show y'all the wig on the wig head right before I bleach these knots, because sis, them knots was too black. Anyways, I'm just using some BW2 powder and some 30 volume developer. Now, you only do this when you want your wigs to be natural. Okay, sis? This is how you get them to look natural. Anyways, you basically just gonna put the mixture together in the bowl and just stir it up and make sure that the consistency is like a paste or like a cake batter or icing or something like that. And you just glide it on, but don't push too hard because it will seep through. And you don't want your roots to be brown or like a goldish color. No, sis. So yeah, and I actually had to go back twice and do this because the knots did not bleach all the way through the first time. But I'm still learning, y'all. I'm not a hairstylist, and this is not a tutorial. This is just how I did my hair. So yeah, you just want to make sure that you're basically just gliding it on. And I think it's easier to use this with a butter knife because it really just glides on. Super easy. So yeah, just keep going, y'all. Just keep going. If you ever do this or you already know how to do it, just, just glide that on. So here I just wanted to take it off and just lay it flat because it's really kind of difficult to do it on the wig head because I feel like if you press too hard, it will seep through. But I didn't do it that way. So I did take it off and just set it on the floor. Now they say that you could leave it on for about 35-40 minutes, but I'm a beginner, honey. I ain't doing that. So I kept it on for about maybe 25 minutes. And just wash the hair. Obviously, y'all know what this is. Y'all know what this is. And you need to use some type of purple shampoo or conditioner, because that will tone the lace, because it'll have it like a brassy orange color after you bleach it. So, and y'all look at this hair when it is blow dry. Well, not blow dry, because I let it air dry. But air dry, look how full it is, and look at the curls. And this is just part 1 of this video, y'all. I'm doing 3 videos of this hair. This is just the initial unboxing and bleaching the knots. And I am going to use a box dye on this hair because I want it to be brown. I'm tired of black hair. But yeah, y'all, get into this. Anyways, if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and share. And thanks for watching. I will be back in a couple days.